Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. Today I'm going to show you how you can invite friends and earn various rewards on the PrimeXBT application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the PrimeXBT app on your device and use your PIN code or biometrics to log in. After you have been taken to the homepage, if you wish to get rewarded by inviting various friends, then you can tap on the rewards option at the bottom and then tap on Start Earning. Here you will see various rewards that you can earn by making your deposits and trades. In order to invite someone, go back to the homepage and then tap on the account icon at the top left corner. Then you can scroll down and you will see the referral program option. Just tap on this button and then tap on Invite Friends. This will now give you your personal referral code or link. You can tap on the share button to directly share this with various users. You may use any of the applications that you want, or you can copy the link onto your clipboard and then send it directly. Now, once the person taps on your link, the PrimeXBT application will be downloaded on their device and they can begin their sign up. Once they have completed their sign up using your reference code, they will successfully join the PrimeXBT platform and you will also be given your rewards. And by this method, you can invite as many people as you want and get rewarded for each invite. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to invite your friends and get rewarded on the PrimeXBT platform. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.